Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on the Palisadoes Strip and we're going to head from the airport towards the Harbour View roundabout. So the Palisadoes Strip is the only road that takes you to Port Royal and the Norman Manley International Airport. As you see, as the name says, it's a strip, and on the left you see the Kingston Harbour, and on the right is the Caribbean Sea. So on the left, the Kingston Harbour is the 7th largest natural harbour in Jamaica, in the world. And on the right, you see the Caribbean Sea. So you're going to notice a lot of stones are built like a reef to the right. That's to ensure that when there's heavy rain and wind, the waves don't come over and block the road, because it's the only road to the airport and to Port Royal. And to the left there are none, because it's a natural harbour, so that water won't rise. Now if you notice on the left, it's a very nice boardwalk. The government spent millions of dollars to renovate this area, so you have a boardwalk where people can go walking, go fishing. Very nicely done. On the right behind those stones is actually sand, and there's a beach you can walk on, and people go jogging, and very nice recreation area. Unfortunately, you needed the stones to make sure the waves don't come up and interfere with the road. So this road was originally to be a 4-lane road, but when they were renovating it, they decided to go with 2 lanes because it would be too expensive for it to be 4 lanes. Now, some years ago, they had a party somewhere along this road, and the persons parked, just like how you see this car parked, on either side of the road. And then, of course, you know, Jamaica is a very indisciplined society when it comes on to using the road. Persons started to park in the road, and then eventually the road got blocked, and persons could not get to the airport. It was a major problem, major disaster. The police came, they could not get the road cleared for hours. The road was blocked. Persons missed their flight because the flights were not waiting, they had to take off. Major problem. So after that incident, no other party or event is to be held in that area. Anything that would interfere with the blocking of this road is not supposed to be held. A similar incident happened at Pearly Beach in Ocho Rios, where persons had a party. Persons started to park on the road, eventually blocking the road, and the highway, the northern coastal highway, was blocked, and it interfered because that's the road that takes you to Montego Bay and gets you to the airport. However, parties have been held at Pearly Beach since then, and I guess they just monitor the traffic more carefully. I haven't heard of any more incidents of that road being blocked. But after that road was blocked, the government announced that they are going to extend that road from 2 lanes to 4 lanes from Ocho Rios to Montego Bay. The entire northern coastal highway runs from Port Antonio to Negril, but the section, it's 2 lanes for the entire highway. There you can see people fishing over on the left. That's what that boardwalk was built for. See some more persons over there. But yeah, from Port Antonio or Portland to Negril, it's 2 lanes. And they're going to extend the section from Ocho Rios to Montego Bay to 4 lanes. And it's estimated to cost 120 billion Jamaican dollars. That's a very expensive project, but it's needed because that the north coast of Jamaica between Portland and Negril is where 90% of all the tourists that come into Jamaica go. And a lot of tourists come into Jamaica. So if you have a road to get them around quickly and easily and in a comfortable fashion, it's worth it. And also the persons that live and work along the Northern Coastal Highway will benefit greatly. Draxhall is probably the fastest growing community or area in Jamaica, and it's right off the Northern Coastal Highway, and they will benefit also from the 4 lanes. So we just went around the Harborview roundabout, and we're just giving you a quick showing you what it looks like when you come around the roundabout. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Also leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us. Remember to leave your comments in the section below. Remember to like, share and subscribe also. Have a good day.